the spot, night cold, engine still ticking. Hard doing laps, yeah, I felt something different. Text said, come through, I believe what you said. Now I'm staring at your door, just silence instead. Knock twice, no answer, just a winning reply. Neighbor peeked out like he knew I'd been lied to. Said you left in a rush, didn't even look back. With the dude in the car, blacked out Cadillac. Damn, guess I was late, or just never your choice. All them late night talks, just a game with your voice. I was planning forever, you was planning escape. Now I'm stuck with the truth and the look on my face. Rain started falling like it's feeling my mood. Now my hands in my pockets, nothing left but the truth. Turn the key, let the engine drown out what I feel. Drive off slow, but the hurt stay real.